Meta and Microsoft advertise Llama 2, new generative artificial intelligence model. With open source, Meta and Microsoft have the Llama 2, new generation of generative artificial intelligence model that stands out by the nature of open source, which can, as a result of a partnership between two of the world's largest artificial intelligence companies. Llama 2 is a model of great language, that is, it is necessary to understand human natural language with a high amount of. An example of service that uses this technology is Bard, based on Google's Llama. Llama 2 is available in open source, so it is free for commercial use or scientific research. For Meta, a more open approach is the correct strategy for the development of current artificial intelligences, especially based on generative models, which have advanced in recent months. The first generation of the model developed by Meta, with closed source code, had more than 100,000 requests for use in third parties. It is in this scenario of high demand for large language models that the company has chosen to adopt Llama 2 for everyone, allowing anyone to develop their own knowledge in this technology. Llama 2 is available in the Azure AI platform in Microsoft services, as well as Amazon Web Services Oz, Hugging Face and other providers. The model is also optimized for running locally on Windows. In this case, developers will benefit from the new processors with nuclei associated with IA, such as Ryzen 7000 and Intel Meat. Meta speaks of responsible use of AI. With the rapid rise of artificial intelligence, experts began to show about the use of this technology, talking about the extinction of consciousness. With this, Meta has clarified some of its policies that aim to make the use of intelligent machines more secure. Through positive and negative analysis, Llama 2 was to a variety of that to attest their safety. The Meta develops the manufacturing methods to fill in these performance gaps in the model, and should continue improving the efficiency of the application throughout its application. Meta announces video updates with avatars and other news. 3 Android 12th July company new features for avatars with the video recording and more. Twitter accuses Meta of using former employees to make threads and tried to process the company's 16 Android 6th July. Meta rebaited again, and said that they simply don't make sense. The Meta has drafted a solution that the challenges and environmental problems that have been identified throughout the initial test, but comments on the mitigations that should be made soon. Qualcomm and Meta will take artificial intelligence to mobile phones in partnership. Meta and Qualcomm intend to take native support to artificial intelligences in mobile phones and mobile computers launched from 2024. The chip manufacturer that the goal is to enable the processing of language models on your device without requiring, and the advantages of this innovation should include reduced costs due to the of cloud computing, lower latency, privacy, security and better customization of virtual assistants, for example. Meta and Microsoft announce Llama 2, new generative artificial intelligence model, with open source.